In this video, I will be showing you how to create an inside effect in Canva, so let's get started. To begin, from the Canva homepage, I move my cursor up to the top left corner and click on the Create a Design button. From the menu list that appears, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the editor workspace loads, I navigate over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, I type in ocean and hit enter to search for water imagery. Next, I click on the Photos category to browse through all the ocean images. I scroll down through the results to find an image with vibrant blue water and crisp wave textures that will look great inside our letters. Once I find the wave photo I like, I click it to place it onto the canvas. Now, to create the cutout effect, I go back to the left sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar inside the Apps tab, I type to view topography tools, and from the suggestions, I select the Type Cutout app. With our ocean background selected as the source image, I move down the Type Cutout settings to the text box. I remove the placeholder text and type in ocean in capital letters. Right below the text box, I open the font drop-down menu to choose a bolder typeface. I select the Accelerator font so the ocean pattern inside will have plenty of surface area to show through clearly. I make sure the text outline settings and thickness look balanced, and then I click the purple Add to Design button at the bottom of the panel. Canva processes the design and places our textured cutout lettering directly onto the canvas. Now, I select the original full background photo behind it and delete it, leaving only our newly generated text. Finally, I click on the text element, drag the corner handle outward to enlarge it across the canvas, and position it right in the center for a clean, eye-catching presentation. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create inside effect in Canva.